Let's begin, shall
Slow
we?
is fast and fast is slow.
Can the challenger defeat the wolf in his own lair?
I was just unfortunately I know how quick the AoE comes out. So yeah, no, I'll try down slower. Sorry.
No, you're good.
There. I wonder if you can keep up.
Close.
Such speed, it's as if there's a pack of him.
With Fenrir's might, I rouse the storm. The wind answers my call.
Counterclock. Wrong way, girl. Oh my lord.
Oh, G?
You speak Danish, Kira?
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this.
It's okay.
I think the Danish clock is probably the same as the French clock.
Yeah. To be fair, I have to I actually think actively about where I go. I don't know why, so it's not just you.
Mm.
Must have heard, but they're not out of the fight yet.
Fenrir's power can be wielded in surprising ways.
Oh, where did that colossal thing come from?
1, 3. 3. Away. Good chest.
Not bad. Not bad. But we've scarcely begun.
Check debuff and sides.
Bear my biting wings. Still you stand. How delightful.
Find north.
The earth is mine to command.
Attack on 1.
A pack of wolves.
Attack on 3. Dodge. Away. Remember dragon heads?
We're like 2% behind.
No, we're
Like
really
one.
doing damage.
Should be fine, yeah.
We're ahead now, are we not?
No, we are.
No.
We're super ahead.
Yeah, we're super ahead. This is good damage.
Try this.
2. Staying on 2. I hope. Cardinal. After. Brent. Stonefang. Cardinal.
Oh no, that was too much for the challenger.
Could still be okay, I think. If it's a wipe, then it's all on me.
The challenger.
Put mid on the cure.
again. Can they turn this around?
My fucking double press my button. Maybe
We have 15 seconds. It's after this next cast.
should be fine. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Sarcastic.
free!
Yeah, alright. There's just no memes and like lock in. Like think about the mistakes we've made. And yeah,
Then rear side
there
bow.
won't be any surprises. And again, for Champion Circuit, I'll try to call it out, but if I get stun locked, if I lag, then it's your own responsibility. Yeah.
Fallen below.
No matter what becomes of my body, defeat is not an option.
Then we get to pots.
They've moved to floating death traps. How will they fight with so little room?
Now I fight with everything I have. Prepare yourself.
Conga.
There's no escape.
Touch lever.
Will you be able to stay on your feet?
Wait, south.
I will rent all asunder.
Left out, remember it's big. Conga. Touch laser. Light party.
And coolies.
Oh, face out, sorry.
You'll have nowhere
Oh.
to stand.
Tank mechanic. Being a take boss.
And toss.
Towers.
Dodge this if you can.
Remember, only DPS can carry the tether.
The power of wit unleashed.
And move towards south. Don't let Bina die. Okay. Goes up.
cannot escape from the wolf.
Left out. In. Right. Donuts. Left. This is sides. Watch. Right, all the way out, all the way out. And then in. In left. And then Conga. Oh no, light party, sorry. Now Conga. Dodge the lasers. Tank Buster. Next is Funky Tethers. And remember, after we just stay where we are with the tethers, like do the
But heroes
Conga
spawn.
on there. Yeah. Oh yeah, after that, yeah. After this is Hero's Blow, keep an eye on it.
Out.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Shit!
Is this the
And then we Conga from here.
Try and get the Conga going. We need him up though. Someone random's
Oh.
gonna get hit.
Oh, sorry, I actually griefed. Oh,
Healer LB
Come
maybe.
south, come
Yeah.
south.
just try out. Oh, it's got
Oh,
fucked.
go over,
Move, maybe
go
it's
over,
better,
go over,
maybe
go over.
New south, new south, new south.
fine. Yeah. We go clockwise, still clockwise. This is our pot. Pot here. Move and pot. This is my inmon. Move. Remember the bait first here. And then me and Bina kitchen sink after baits.
Even if it costs me my life.
Maybe with LB it would have a chance, but
Just keep going, just keep going.
Neither side is holding back, but there can only be one champion.
This is Bina's inmon after we baits, after. Try to set up a huge burst in 1 minute. And obviously all mids on this, don't forget.
I will prevail.
All your biggest buttons, guys. And mids, mid.
maybe?
I admit,
Any critters?
Any
Come on,
critters?
come on, please, please,
Guys,
please.
crit. Just crit. Crit your
Yay,
fucking
me,
abilities.
go!
Nice!
Fucking
I
God.
was losing.
Oh.
No way.
Fucking dude, you're perma-dooming, man!
Bro, it's...
Hey, who the fuck
I don't know.
has it? Sniff, sniff.
I've
And
been...
I lost
I've,
the GCD.
Oh my
I spent too
God.
much
but you
with
have so much
the
time.
Master
So close.
Doomer.
Dude, this fucking lazy guy is like, no, we could never make it.
If we
I
don't get a
believe.
mount, I heal you.
Oh yeah, by the way, yeah, assuming everyone agrees, we're passing on the mount for... Oh wait, do
We
even get...
probably won't get one.
Oh, right, because we... Right, no
Wait,
mind
what?
then. Why not?
Why not?
Because someone's already
cleared?
got fucking clear this week.
Yeah, someone cleared already.
But
I
why?
cleared. Huh?
Well,
What do you mean? What do you mean? Why? Because it was agreed on
I
that.
guess.
It's fine, it's whatever. It's too late now.
I mean, I guess
time
you did
travel.
it before we...
But yeah, we'll just do it in the next one. I mean, Groovy just gets the first mount and then we...
Black Mage.
Yeah. Also.
Oh, Black Mage. Oh,
we didn't even get-
it's so tempting.
I mean, do you want to play it?
I like, if
Yeah,
I
good
got it, I
damage, and-
probably would play it, but like, I don't know if I'm comfy enough on Black Mage to do this, the phase
What?
2 of this.
Well, take it in practice.
Yeah, I don't mind. I'm not gonna play Black Mage.
Also,
well, I
I
mean, if
don't know
anyone
if
wants
my
to greed on
gear,
it, you're welcome.
I don't know if my gear is transferable, but I'll find out, Lamau.
Surely it is.
Well, you need to say if you want it or not, because if you don't want it, I'm gonna greed. Because